The question of the best website builder for a small business in 2026 is all about matching the tool to your business goal. You need a platform that helps you make money, not just a pretty page. We have tested Canva, Hostinger, Kinsta, Square, and Kajabi to tell you exactly where you should build your small business home online. Number 1, best for selling physical products, Square. If you run a small business that sells physical products, food, or has a brick-and-mortar shop, Square is the best choice. What it does best? Square is famous for its easy payment systems, the little white card readers. Their website builder, Square Online, connects your online store directly to your physical store. Why it's great for small business? Your inventory is automatically synced. If you sell a shirt in your shop, Square knows you have one less shirt to sell online. It is simple to use and has a generous free plan that lets you sell unlimited products. It also handles local pickup and delivery easily. Simple verdict: if you sell physical things and use Square for payments, this is your winner. Action step: click the link in the description to start your free Square online store today. Number 2, best for coaching, courses, and digital knowledge, Kajabi. If your small business sells your knowledge, such as online courses, coaching programs, or exclusive membership content, then Kajabi is the only one you need. What it does best? Kajabi is an all-in-one platform built for creators. It is not just a website builder. It hosts your videos, takes payments for your courses, and sends your marketing emails. It manages the entire process from selling to teaching. Why it's great for small business? You build one website that controls everything. You don't need 5 different tools stitched together. It handles landing pages, sales funnels, and managing your students all in one dashboard. Simple verdict: if you sell information or education, choose Kajabi to manage your entire business. Action step: if you are ready to sell your first course, use our special link below to try Kajabi free. Number 3, best for budget and AI-powered start, Hostinger. For the small business that wants a great-looking website without a huge cost, Hostinger is the number 1 choice for value and a quick start. What it does best? Hostinger uses an AI website builder that is extremely easy for beginners. You answer a few simple questions about your business, and the AI builds a full website draft for you in about a minute. Why it's great for small business? Their plans are very affordable and usually include your website hosting and a free domain name, your yourname.com address. They also have excellent AI tools to write content and optimize your site for search engines. Simple verdict: if you need a cheap, fast, and professional website built with AI help, choose Hostinger. Action step: start your AI-built website today. Find the Hostinger link below for the best deal. Number 4, best for simple portfolio and design, Canva. Canva is the easy graphic design tool we all use for social media, and their website builder is exactly what you expect: fast and visual. What it does best? Canva lets you take any design, like a poster or a presentation, and turn it into a simple website. The editor is purely drag and drop and very easy if you already use Canva. Why it's great for small business? It is perfect for a simple one-page website that shows your portfolio, a menu, or just your contact details. It's quick and focuses on beautiful design. Simple verdict: if you need a beautiful single-page site quickly for a portfolio or small service menu, try Canva. But it is not good for large stores or blogs. Action step: use the Canva link in the description to turn your next design into a simple website right now. Lastly, number 5, best for high-traffic, serious WordPress sites, Kinsta. Kinsta is different from the others. It is not a simple website builder. It is a premium web host built for speed and power. What it does best? Kinsta focuses on making sure your existing WordPress site is the fastest, most secure, and most reliable it can possibly be. It handles huge amounts of visitors without slowing down. Why it's great for small business? This is the tool for small businesses that have grown into high-traffic, complex WordPress sites, like successful e-commerce stores or large blogs. It is more expensive, but it pays for itself by preventing your site from crashing during a sale. Simple verdict: if you have a high-traffic WordPress site and need top speed and reliability, choose Kinsta. Action step: if speed is your biggest problem, check out Kinsta's premium plans using the link below. Final decision summary: to make your final choice, retail or physical, go with Square. Education or courses, go with Kajabi. Budget and easy start, go with Hostinger. No matter which one you choose, the first step is to get started. Remember to click the link in the description below to get direct access to all these website builders and find the best deals for your small business.